Hey everyone, welcome back to the Money Mindset. In today's video, we're going to talk about something that affects every investor, whether you're just starting out or you've been in the game for years, and that's emotions. When the stock market is going up and down like crazy, it's easy to get caught up in the fear or excitement. But here's the thing, making emotional decisions in a volatile market can hurt your investments. So how do you stay calm and make smart choices? That's what we'll cover in this video. Let's dive in. Investing in the stock market can sometimes feel like a roller coaster. One day your stocks are up and you feel on top of the world. The next day they're down and suddenly you're panicking. But making decisions based on emotion, whether it's fear, greed, or excitement, can lead to poor choices. Take fear, for example. When the market drops, it's tempting to sell your stocks because you're scared of losing more money. But here's the thing. If you sell in a panic, you could miss out on future gains when the market recovers. Remember, the stock market has ups and downs, but over the long term, it tends to go up. Then there's greed. When the market is booming, you might feel the urge to invest more money than you should, hoping to make a quick profit. But just like with fear, making decisions based on excitement can backfire if the market turns against you. Here's a tip. Before you make any investment decision, ask yourself, am I acting out of emotion, or is this part of my plan? If the answer is emotion, take a step back and wait until you can think clearly. Also, it helps to diversify your portfolio. When you spread your investments across different stocks or even different types of assets, you're less likely to panic when one stock or sector takes a hit. And finally, keep your eyes on the long-term prize. Successful investors stay focused on their big goals and don't let short-term market noise shake them. And that's how you manage emotions in investing. It's all about staying calm, sticking to your plan, and remembering that investing is a long-term game. Don't let the ups and downs of the market mess with your head. If this video helped you something, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more tips on investing and personal finance.